Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvonne, Enchanted Apple. It has been a while. I got really busy and with everything going on I just haven't had time to do any videos, but I do have some things to show you guys in other videos that I plan to make. But for now, I really want to open my Magic at Your Door box. It is my first one that I got. I do hope everyone is staying safe and healthy and well. But let's get right into it because I can't wait anymore. So, it is Dude's 3rd birthday. I ordered the gold level subscription. Here's the newsletter that it comes with. And my Magic at Your Door certificate signed by CMO Jaden. So I see the famous gold pouch that I always see everyone unboxing. I'll save that for last. But I see something really big right here. Let's see what this is. Okay, I actually wanted this. Oh, hold on. Got something small right here. Oh, that's so cute. It's a Mickey Rice Krispie Treat keychain. I am really missing those snacks right now. And so many foozles. Okay, so I actually really wanted this pillow. I added it on my wish list after, and I actually got it. Disney Sleep Repeat. Oh, that is so cute. I now have a Disney pillow. Okay, so in my preferences, I did put that I have never been to Walt Disney World. I've only been to Disneyland, so I do love a lot of Disneyland merchandise. And my first Disneyland shirt. I have never bought myself one or anything, so I'm excited to have my first Disneyland shirt. It says the Disneyland Resort, established 1955. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I forgot to say, the retail price is $24.99. And for the pillow, let's see. Let's have a tag. I seem to find a tag. Oh, here it is. It retails for $29.95. Keychain. A little sticker fell off, so I'm not sure how much it retails for. Let's see. Okay, so I got another item I really wanted, which is another Disneyland item, and it is the Disneyland mug. How pretty is that? And it looks like there's something inside. It's an Up lanyard. I really love the Up house design with the balloons and everything, and I did put that I like the Up house, so I got an Up lanyard. This retails for $12.99, and the mug is $15.99. Sorry if I'm trying to do this all fast. I don't have much space on my phone to record, but I really wanted to get another video out there since it's been a while. And now, the golden pouch. gosh. Okay, these are so cute. I actually also really wanted these. These are little Mickey stud earrings. I bought my daughter her own Magic at Your Door box, which I probably will be posting that video as well. But I think these would be cute for my daughter. And these retail for $49.99. And then the last item is this really cute pin that they've been making every month for the gold subscription box. And since it is dude's 3rd birthday, Magic at Your Door, it is, I don't know if you can see that. It's so cute. I'm so glad I got the April box to celebrate their 3rd anniversary. Okay, that was an awesome box, you guys. That was really, really awesome. I do not know what my favorite item is because I got a few items that I really wanted, that I had seen and wanted, like this pillow. I really wanted this pillow and I got it, and this mug.